Hello and welcome to this tutorial and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this tutorial, I will be describing about the SAP HANA optimized analysis process, that is HAP. I will be telling you what is HAP used for in SAP HANA, and also I will show you how to create HAP and its other important features and how to use in SAP HANA. So let me go with the description. Yeah, we need to learn about the data mining. So let me tell you that now if I give you a scenario like your company wants to use SAP BW not only for simple reporting but also for more sophisticated analysis like data mining. Now, in order to identify the unrecognized pattern in your dataset. For example, you plan to group your customer according to demographic factors and analyze in detail the reason for customer churn. Now, for these scenarios, you want to use the HAP now instead of APD, for SAP HANA integration. So if I tell you that what is the data mining, data mining is a process of using mathematical and sophisticated algorithm to automatically identify interesting pattern and relationships that are difficult to detect in large volume of data. And data mining allows the organization to make the critical jump from retrospective analysis to proactive data making. And mainly we use the data mining in the areas of sales and marketing because in this area we need more comprehensive analysis of customers. However, we can use in other areas too. So now we'll be moving more into the next slide. Yeah, we'll be mainly talking about the HAP now, this SAP HANA analysis process. So here in this slide, I depicted a picture. You can see that in this process we have source and the other side we have target, and now we have this function. And these functions there are several functions that we can use, and like we can use the PAL function, the predictive analysis library PAL function, and we can use HANA procedure, the SQL script procedure, and we can use the L script and R script. So those also we can use. So in order to transfer the data from source to target, or we can do some kind of predictive analysis using this. Now moving further, that what are the in this slide I tried to explain what are the predictive analysis library or PAL functions are supported in this regard. Now we have the ABC analysis and a priori and double exponential smoothing and k-means outliner and single exponential smoothing, and this is the different kind of function which used for different objectives. Now moving forward, how to create the HAP. Now in this slide I depicted some of the pictures now how to create HAP in SAP HANA. So in the left hand side, this screenshot, you can go to the transaction RSD HAP. So if you go to this transaction and you can find the option like how to create the HAP. Now you can find if you in the overview tab, there are several tabs. In the overview tab, you have to select what data source you are going to choose. So here you can choose, you have different options. So what you're going to choose, you can choose any table of SAP BW HANA, or you can choose any database table. So and also you can use any HAP, because HAP allows you for any kind of sequential result as well. And after that you have this analysis, data analysis. So in this box you have to choose what script or function you are going to use here. If you are using any kind of BW or SAP HANA script, then you can just go and select. Here you have the option of procedure or script. And finally we have the data target. Here you have to place the target what you are going to put, and we have example like analytic index and database table and embedded analytic embedded in DTP process. Yeah, and this part I have explained in the another picture here. So if you select this embedded in DTP process, it means the this function will be actually used in the one of the transformation rule. Like you can see that, so once you do the mapping in the transformation, then and if you double click on the mapping, and you'll have these type. So what kind of source you're going to add here? So you can select this SAP HAP, and then you can select this object like this. So in this way you are going to use the HAP in SAP transformation rules. And that's all about this small tutorial. We try to explain HAP in HANA. So that's all about this tutorial, and if you have any question or comment, please write in the comment box. I will be happy to share the answers. And if you are new in this tutorial, please like and share this tutorial to your other friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And please look into my other tutorial. I have given the links. Those are related to SAP BW, HANA, ABAP, and SQL Script, and BW IP. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.